Okay guys, after cooking in my grill, authentic grill, this is my masterpiece. I wanna show to you how to do a presentation after cooking of the grilled pork. Okay. My masterpiece. Okay. So this is the second set of our masterpiece. Okay. Grill masterpiece. Wow. So looks the color. It's not burned, not hot cook. Nice. See? So this is our presentation for our grilled pork. Okay. See? Not burned. See? It's like a half cook or well done. Okay. Balance. Okay. So this, so not very burned and really big. So we need to cut this to taste it. Put in a delicious sweet chili sauce. Amazing. So this is I want to show you how to prepare and the presentation of our masterpiece video for our vlog for today. So here comes. So tasty and yummy pork barbecue. Okay, so it's not burned, it's well done, semi well done only. A pork barbecue to save your money. See, so yummy guys. Okay, see you guys, and hopefully you like it, our presentation of our masterpiece to our barbecue pork in our yard using wood's branches, not a propane or electric or woods you buy in 7-Eleven or somewhere. So this is our tips. If you have a branches of woods in your yard, you can use it to save your money. Okay, simple ingredients. Okay. So it's easy to prepare. So yummy. Mm. 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 Simple, basic. Just wanted to say is just subscribe, hit the notification bell, and likes, comment, and share for our YouTube channel for how to save your money Bio Grill. Okay, see you guys, and hope you like this video, this vlog for today.